Welcome back to our channel. In our previous videos, we focused on different types of proxies and how they worked. This time, we'll focus on another important topic, IP abuse and abuse prevention. Hi, I'm Jake, and I'm here to explain what IP abuse is and how to prevent it. Additionally, we'll talk about how IPRoyal ensures our proxy network and your operations stay protected around the clock. IP address abuse involves different malicious activities. These don't just disrupt communication and internet access, but can severely damage the credibility of a proxy provider or any business using abused IPs. There are several most common types of IP abuse. Spamming, sending a large amount of unsolicited emails or messages. Phishing, attempting to obtain sensitive information in a fraudulent way. Distributing malware, spreading harmful software to vulnerable devices. Botting, using an infected device or network for malicious purposes. All these practices can lead to various consequences. An IP can end up blacklisted by websites, email providers, and other web services, damaging the reputation of the IP owner or associated organization. If you get an abused IP from a proxy provider, you're bound to experience disruptions, slowdowns, or even legal repercussions. There are several ways to prevent and detect IP abuse. Monitoring. Regular IP address monitoring can uncover any abusive activity and enable a timely response. Authentication. Implementing strict authentication mechanisms and frameworks can significantly improve IP address security. Reporting. Promptly reporting any incidents to relevant authorities is essential for preventing future issues. With a reliable proxy provider, there's no need to worry about any of this. IPRoyal has a stringent KYC procedure and strict usage policies that clearly define acceptable behaviour. We constantly monitor our residential network to detect any signs of IP abuse and respond as quickly as possible. On top of that, we regularly rotate and refresh our IP pool and use other industry-leading methods to maintain the integrity of our network. This way, we ensure safety for everyone involved, our IP sources, the network, and our clients. Awareness, cooperation, and transparency also have a role to play in preventing IP abuse. IPRoyal invests in employee training, maintaining open communication with clients, and collaborating with relevant organizations to coordinate efforts against abusive behavior. This approach enables us to raise awareness about IP abuse as well as promote a culture of compliance and its benefits. To learn more, visit our website. As always, thanks for watching. Like this video if you learned something new, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming content. In the meantime, check out our previous videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment or contact our team of experts. See you soon.